Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by inserting your video file directly into the slide so you control playback reliably. You should use MP4 for broad compatibility. Once inserted, trim unwanted lead-in using the Trim Video tool and set a clear poster frame so the slide looks intentional before play. Make sure the clip sits where you want it visually. You can resize and align it to safe margins. These steps let you avoid later surprises and ensure the rest of the automatic playback settings apply to the intended. With the video selected, open the Playback tab and choose Start, automatically so the clip launches without clicks. Once done, decide whether to play full screen or keep it embedded. Full screen masks slide elements while embedded keeps layout context. Make sure to set volume and whether to loop or rewind after playing. Looping is useful for kiosks. Also, check Hide while not playing if you want no static image revealing controls. These options control how and when the audience experiences the media. Finally, tie slide timing to the video by setting the slide to advance automatically. Use transitions, check after, and enter the video length or a buffer. Then run the slideshow from the current slide to confirm the clip starts plays and the slide advances precisely as intended. If timing is off, adjust the after seconds or enable advanced slide on mouse click for safety. If playback fails, convert the file to MP4H, 264 and reinsert. That fixes most compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.